Euros is a well-known and respected face in the world of rugby, not only as Director of Rugby at Coleg Sir Gar, but also as the head coach of the senior Premiership club Llandovery. Through his role in the college, Euros has developed tens of talented players, turning them from promising schoolboys to professional sportsmen. Due to Euros' commitment, the college is consistently ranked in the top 2 in Wales and top 3 in Britain. Last season saw Llandovery RFC continue to challenge their opposition in the Welsh Premiership, finishing a very respectable 5th overall.
Mae Shelley, prif hyfforddwr ysgol gymnasteg Sir Gaerfyrddin yn y ddisgybliaeth Twmblo, yn gorwchilio'r garfan datblygu. Mae gymnastwyr Shelley yn cyflawni safonau uchel mewn gystadlaethau cenedlaethol a ryngwladol. Mae 20 yng ngharfan datblygu Twmblo Ardal De Cymru, 10 yng ngharfan datblygu Twmblo Cenedlaethol Cymru a 6 yng ngharfan Twmblo Gwledydd Cartref Cymru. Mae Shelley hefyd yn fentor i lawer o glybiau ac yn arwain ar cymhwysterau hyfforddi ochr yn ochr a gweithio tuag at ei lefel 5 mewn hyfforddi.
Austin is the head coach within Nofio Sir Gar, the county's performance squad. His commitment and attention to detail is second to none, where he has created an environment for swimmers to enjoy and be successful. At the Swim Wales Summer Nationals, members of the squad qualified for 117 races and achieved 74 personal best times, winning 4 golds, 6 silvers and 4 bronze medals. His knowledge and the way in which he interacts with the swimmers is of the highest level, and this is shown through the results they are gaining, with 5 swimmers selected for the Swim Wales squad.